Welcome. This is the Thomas Delauer apple cider vinegar drink. I'll typically take this when I'm fasting in the morning. Sometimes I'll make it for fun, but it's just so strong and heavy, and I'm still acquiring the taste, so I might not make it every single day. But this is how we make it, Brian. I'm gonna make one for Brian right now, and he's gonna try, he's gonna experience it, and he's gonna experience it. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Right? Apple cider vinegar is great for a lot of things. Digestion, clearing out bacteria. Put in some water. And then we want to start with our minerals. So the minerals are important, right? We want sodium and then potassium chloride, right? Potassium for your muscles. We want 1/8 of a teaspoon. Whoop. And then magnesium malate, another mineral. Right, these are 0 calories. These are just different kinds of salts.
Okay.
Do you take any minerals, supplements?
I do not.
Okay. I usually do half a scoop of this because I already take magnesium at night.
Okay.
So I don't know. I can give you a half a scoop as well.
Half scoop is totally fine.
So that's about 250 milligrams. They say you want to get at least 400 milligrams a day.
Okay.
A lot of our foods nowadays don't have magnesium because the soil is de-riched. Then how do you like your meals? Do you like spicy food? Are you a fan or not?
I dabble a little bit in the spicy
Do you
world.
like to have a kick? So the cayenne pepper's going in. It's just how much cayenne pepper are you looking
How much
for?
do you put in?
I'll put in about that much.
Cool beans.
Okay. So the cayenne pepper, right, increases your metabolism for about 45 minutes. Your body will actually feel warmer physically too. Ginger, digestion. You want to get like a 1/4 tablespoon to 1/8 of a tablespoon of each of these, approximately. Turmeric, what do you think that's for? Inflammation.
Yes.
And then cinnamon, what's that for?
That's to help absorb.
Yeah, it behaves like insulin, right? It helps absorb and get the nutrients and minerals into your cells. So we gotta cut the lime in half a lime. We'll take the lime. I rarely cut things. So for someone to see this on camera, be amazed. So the lime, we'll give you some limeade, which I forget what it's good for. But look at that, fucking lime juice, baby. So now this is salty, sour, and spicy. Right, we've got all these amazing things in there. I just usually put this in the fridge. I don't know if there's a good way to store limes. If you know how to store lime, let me know. I just stuff it in the fridge and use it the next day. And then now you drink it. I'm just kidding. I gotta add water. He almost grabbed it. So you wanna fill it up about halfway, right? There's a lot of things in here, so you want it to be mixed in the water. So we'll mix it about halfway. Milk frother is like a mini to-go blender that you can use. Not as strong, but it's still powerful. Put it in, mix it up.
Where did you see this recipe or like get the idea for this?
Oh, I'm about to sneeze again. Whenever I mix this, I have to sneeze. So this is the Thomas Delauer. He's a YouTuber, celebrity fitness trainer, whatever that means. But a lot of his YouTube content is backed by research papers, and he always puts the research paper in his description. I have yet to read one of those research papers, but I would assume most of these research papers are peer reviewed. The stuff he does seems to be trustable, and he's just a big guy. He looks like he works out. You know, always check your sources. So it doesn't mean he's accurate or I'm accurate, but we're trying this out.
And is it better to sip, to down, to?
Oh, it's up to you, man. If you can down this, I'll be surprised. I just sip it and go as I can. But yeah, cheers. Thomas Delauer's apple cider vinegar drink.
Yeah, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah, surprisingly, right?
There's like a small kick, like 5 seconds after each sip. Resonates in your throat a little bit, but that just means that it's working.
That's one way to view it. So what I like to do now is usually I'll sit outside, enjoy this drink, I get some sunlight, get my circadian rhythm going. For some reason, whenever I drink this drink, I get a runny nose and I sneeze a lot. And I feel like it's the cayenne pepper. So I'll blow my nose at least once after this drink. About 20 to 30 minutes, I feel normal again, which is nice. So the morning routine, wake up, jump in, cold shower real quick, front side 8 breaths, back side 8 breaths. I'll make this drink, I'll drink it, and then hang out, try to go outside if I can, then make a cold brew, at least an hour after I've woken up. Then I'll work, and then I'll finally eat around 12 to 2 p.m. And that's kind of the Thomas Delauer fasting and apple cider vinegar drink that I'm experimenting with. If you want to see a video on that, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button down below. If you stayed this far, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the Thomas Delauer apple cider vinegar drink. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!
Definitely, definitely interesting.
Yep. Oh man, I'm already running. Yeah, see, you're coughing now.